I thought of the book as directed to philosophers. And I think not a lot of them read it. I think it was picked up much more widely than that. It was no particular force for some time in philosophy, although the philosophers surely knew it. But I remember, I guess it was Peter Hempel's telling me that he had been to a meeting in, I think it was Israel, in which groups had gathered and said that book should be burned. And all this talk about irrationality. And irrationality in particular, irrationality in relativism. The thing that bothered me about the Chappelle Review was all of the talk about relativism. I didn't think it was, I thought, I saw why he said that, but I thought if he thought a little bit more seriously about what relativism was and what I was saying, he would not have said anything like that. If it was relativism, it was of an interesting sort of relativism that needed to be thought out before the tag was applied. In practice, I would say it's not a relativistic book. And although I would have had trouble initially, I tried in the end of structure to say in what sense I thought progress was there. I largely squeezed it out the answer to that, talked about the accumulation of puzzles. And I think, and I would now argue very strongly, that the Darwinian metaphor at the end of the book is right and should have been taken more seriously than it was, and nobody took it seriously. People passed it right by. It's a question of stopping to see us as getting closer to something, but see us instead as moving away from where we were. And that was, I was saying that was beyond anything I'd really quite grasped until the point at which I had to really wrestle with that problem and say something. But saying that was important to me, and it led to things that have happened since. And I think it might have been picked up and recognized more.